Now let's discuss about the Daniell cell. Daniell cell, or else we can tell it as the galvanic cell. It's an example of electrochemical cell. The overall reaction taking place in the cell is the redox reaction given as zinc plus copper. This is solid form and this is in terms of aqueous form. That gives zinc plus copper. So zinc ion and this one is copper metal. This overall reaction is made of the summation of two half cell reactions such as oxidation half reaction and reduction half reaction. If you see here, the oxidation half reaction occurring at the zinc electrode in contact with the aqueous electrolyte containing zinc 2 plus ions, or else zinc 2 ions we can say, that accumulates the electrons at the zinc rod. So you can find here. So this is a reaction. Zinc, that is in terms of the solid form, gives zinc ions in terms of aqueous form plus electrons, the release of electrons. The reduction half reaction occurring at the copper electrode, you can see here, this is the copper electrode, in contact with the aqueous electrolytic containing copper 2 ions, receives the electrons from the zinc electrode when connected externally in order to produce metallic copper according to the reaction as follows. So this is a 1, copper 2 ions plus 2 electrons gives copper metal. The decrease in the energy which appears as the heat energy when a zinc rod is directly dipped into the zinc sulfate solution. So you can see here that is going to be converted into electrical energy when the same reaction takes place indirectly in an electrochemical cell, and this is the reaction. The Daniell cell is also called as the Voltaic cell. However, for continuous supply of current for a long period, the two half cells, each comprising the metal electrode and its aqueous electrolyte, kept in separate containers, can be converted externally as shown below. So you can find here how it has been connected, and you can find here how it has been depicted over here very clearly. This is the one. So this is about the Voltaic cell. When the cell is set up, the electrons flow from the zinc electrode through the wire to the copper electrode, that is cathode. As a result of this, zinc dissolves in the anode solution to form zinc 2 ions, zinc 2 plus ions or zinc 2 ions. So parallelly, the copper 2 ions, that is in the cathode half cell, pick up electrons and are converted to copper atoms on the cathode.